So today, yeah, I'm looking a little rough for wear, but today I media blasted, got all the rust off this cowl cover, and then I media blasted the gas cap cover right there, gas cap lid, gas lid. So I got them all media blasted, and then got them roughed up and coated primer on them so they don't rust. So got something done today. Something done every day. That's my goal. So the lid for the gas cap, or the gas lid, or gas, whatever you want to call it, that's a Firebird that goes right here. Put it in the media blaster, got it all out, got a couple little pits right there. But I'll put some primer on there, and it'll be ready to go to the painter when he's ready to mess with it. But got that done. So working on this cowl cover today, getting rid of the rust that was up under the trim and getting it cleaned up. Gonna put, try to knock off this red, get down to the white, hit the high spots. Just gonna try to get it, so it's not rusty, and then I'll hit it with some primer and leave it for the body guy. So, which probably mostly will end up being me. But Memorial Day, it's too hot outside, so I'm in the garage, just kind of vegging out. Try to get out of the shadows. But cowl cover, it's all cleaned off. This was rusted in here, got rid of all that rust. Got a little bit of pitting, but not bad. Got her down to metal with the media blaster. Got the lid completely media blasted, and then I de-ate it and then put the primer on it, just a base coat primer, so that it won't rust while we wait to go to the painter. But got another couple items together, and that's the goal for the day.